Log into SmartComm PMS WebServer. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. This is where you can view and create dashboards. Go to the Configuration section from the main menu on top. Here you can use Default Dashboard or click on Add New Dashboard to create your own dashboard. Enter your new dashboard name. Suppose, an example, I write dashboard name as Dashboard Energy. Then click on Save button. You can find new dashboard are created at the bottom end. There are various options: add widgets, rearrange, run mode, delete, save. Simply click on Add Widgets. Here are various widgets available for displaying data such as charts, data cards, gauges, and control. We select data cards, then single value the widget is created. Enter widget title as per your design. In this we can change card style like card color, background, and also change the font style, name, and size. In extended, we can make the setting of our widget like real-time, historical. For displaying the data, we have to add tags in data elements. Here you can see that various tags we have added. Select the tag according to meter and select meter name. We select kWh for active power. Then we can set the data color for displaying the data and add the widget title. Here are various options available for setting the different font style. The changed setting displaying on the widgets, we can change it according to needed. After successfully making the widget and adding tag in the widget, click on Run mode for displaying the real-time data on screen. We can rearrange the widget according to need. Click on Save button after any change in the screen. It is very important. You can see there is various screens I have made by this process for displaying real-time data. You can use different charts by adding the chart from Add Widget option. Thanks you for watching.